Hi all, this is to welcome all my misy 5350 students for the ERP e-commerce course for summer 2011. Okay, I will walk you over the syllabus and I will also get you accustomed to the Blackboard shell for the course. Okay, so let me first show you the Blackboard shell for the course, which is misy 5350 ERP e-commerce. So when you click on that, you get into the course shell, and you can get your syllabus from here, and also the course content is here. And I would like you to spend some time to find out the materials, the organization of the materials that I have posted for you in the course content. Okay, so you will see book chapter slides. So the slides, the PowerPoint slides from the book chapters that we would be covering in this class is here. Chapter 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 8 chapters that we would be covering. Okay, then the next one is the chapter study guides. These are the study guides which I have prepared for you for each chapter, emphasizing the topics that we would be you need to cover from the chapters. These are the assignments. When I say assignments, these are non-SAP assignments from your book. Okay, these are non-SAP assignments and most of them are from your book. Okay, now after we finish the book chapters and the assignments from the book, we would move on to SAP. Half of the class is actually we are starting SAP. Let me see, we are starting SAP on June 16. Okay, so we have more than half of the class we would be covering SAP. I will walk you over the syllabus in detail, but I would just like you to know the folders that are there in the course content and what have I stored in those folders. In SAP, we would learn 2 modules. One is called Enterprise Portal, SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal. Another is SAP Visual Composer. So the NetWeaver Portal's SAP slides are here. All the PowerPoint slides are stored here, which will explain to you the concept of Enterprise Portal, and then the Visual Composer slides are here, which will explain to you what you can do with Visual Composer. Okay, now then SAP Access Information, which is how to set up your portal, how to set up your client. That information is here, and SAP logins are here. That tells you about how to access SAP. Those of you who are taking a first SAP class and you do not have a SAP client installed in your computer, please take a CD from room 214 and install the SAP client in your computer. You need to install the SAP client in your computer. Okay, SAP assignments. All SAP assignments should be loaded here. I'm still working on them. There are 12 assignments. As you can see, I have posted only 5, but another 7 will be posted the moment I'm done, and I should be done well before the time you have to work on the SAP assignments. Okay, SAP assignment videos. These are the videos that I will be posting here on the walkthrough. Okay, I will walk you through the assignments, and these are YouTube videos, and I have finished only 2, so I have a lot of work left here. This is the Dropbox for assignment. Non-SAP assignment, when I say assignment, that means non-SAP assignments, and when I say SAP assignment, those are SAP assignments. So these are the Dropbox. So when you have to drop assignment 1, submit assignment 1, you click on here, you attach your file and you submit. Okay, and non-SAP, for non-SAP assignment, for SAP assignment Dropbox, I haven't created the Dropbox yet, but that's the work that is left. Okay, so this is the Blackboard page. Now regarding the syllabus, I'm Dr. Kakoli Bandopadhyay. I go by Dr. B. As you can see, I have a very long last name, so people call me, my students call me Dr. B. I'm in room 237, business building. My phone number, office phone is 8808627. For communication, I urge that you use Blackboard email and do not use my Lamar email for course related inquiries. Anything else other than course, you can always use my Lamar email. Monday through Thursday, I will be available online 12 to 1, and you can click on that Acrobat link and you can see me, hear me. And this is basically an asynchronous class. I have loaded all the materials, the videos and everything online through Blackboard. You can interact with me during the time that I would be available online. You can ask me questions, you can clarify issues, ask for help, so on and so forth. Okay, other times if you cannot come online during that time, that's fine, you can email me also. Okay, what is the course objective? Basically, we would like to understand the concept of e-commerce, knowledge of the technology infrastructure of e-commerce, the business strategies for e-commerce, the e-commerce hardware, software, security, payment, and other than that, we would be working on 2 SAP modules, SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal and SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. Okay. Basically what we would do is, without coding, using SAP modeling tools, we would be developing front-end systems. Okay, like SAP NetWeaver and Visual Composer, they are all basically tools for helping you to develop web-based applications without coding. Drop and withdraw. If you want to drop the course and still receive a grade of Q or W, the date is June 13, with a grade is June 23. And teaching materials, I've listed the book here, Introduction to E-Commerce by Tarbon, King and Lang. I've given you the ISBN and the publisher, and everything else is posted in Blackboard. I have given you the link to my online session. If you click on that link and if you sign in as a guest, you can see me, hear me, talk to me. Software, other than Word, which you would be using for submitting your documents, we will use SAP Enterprise Portals and Visual Composer. There will be 2 exams. Both exams will be from the book chapters, and there will be many assignments. List assignments will not be accepted. Exam, I would like you to take it during the time that will be allotted. 2-3 days will be given, and within those time span you have to choose the session, exam session. Grading, exam 1 is 25 points, exam 2 25 points. SAP assignments 300 points. By other assignments I mean non-SAP assignments 100 points. So to get total 450 points. So 90% and above, 405 and above is A, 80% and above is B, 70% and above is C, so on and so forth. You can use the lab 109 or you can use a computer from home. Everything is online, you don't need to come here. If you have question regarding Blackboard, if your Blackboard is not working, you can't log in, then you have to call 8807849 and get your Blackboard access fixed. Okay, SAP help, it is very important that you understand that there are many students in the class that I have to deal with, and sometimes I am too busy to be able to help you on time. So if I'm not being able to help you, we have Miss Liz Simmons, who is our SAP expert. She teaches TARP 10. She is qualified. She is certified in every SAP module. She is also available to help you, and her office hours are 9:45 to 1:30 Monday through Thursday, and on Friday she works till 12:30. Her room is 214 GB and her phone number is 8807220. You can email her too, and so please know the places where you can go for help. We will also have a senior MIS student, Melissa Kirkland, who will be helping out with SAP assignments, and she I will let you know her office hours once she gives that to me. But seek out help. Do not, you know, the point I'm trying to make is that I would not like it if you tell me that I didn't have help and I could not submit my assignment. Lot of help are available. If always try me first. If I am too occupied, you can always go to Liz Simmons or you can go to Melissa also. But do take help, and please understand that help is available. Sometimes because SAP is complicated and it's step by step, and if you miss a step the other steps would not work, and just by looking at your assignment nobody can tell you which step you missed. So in order to fix it, it's not, like you ask me, Dr. B, fix my thing, and I look at it and I fix it. No, it doesn't happen in that fashion. I have to go through it and spend an hour on it and then figure out where you have made that small mistake of using a dash in place of an underscore. It's that tedious. Okay, so if 15 of you are asking me for help and you are stuck at different portions of your assignment, it's really impossible for me to help you out during the time that is allotted for each assignment. So you do need to get help from Liz Simmons or Melissa. Okay, and don't think if you need to get help from Liz Simmons or Melissa that you are not being helped by your instructor. Yes, you are being helped. That is the main thing. Get help. And that's why, because one person cannot handle the whole thing, that's why we have employed these people to help us. Okay, so if I tell you that I'm helping somebody else, you go to Liz Simmons, don't take it against me, because she is here to help me out. Okay, and she would help many of you. I have seen from my past experience that if I am overwhelmed and if I am helping others and if I ask you to go to another person, you don't take it easy. I mean, you don't take it in the right way. You feel that, well, the instructor is not helping me, but that's not the case. These people, they are very knowledgeable and they would help you the same way as I would have helped you. As one person, it's very difficult to help everybody. Okay, the time does not permit. Okay, so you need to be flexible in that respect. The main thing is whether you have got help, whether you could solve your problem, whether it's me or the ones that are here to help you, the SAP help desk, does not matter. Okay, I hope I have been able to explain the problem that we have been facing in the past. Make sure that when you submit assignments, it's your own file. If you submit somebody else's file, you will get a 0. Make sure that if you want to drop this class, you drop it yourself. I will not drop you from the class, and if you do not drop and do not participate, you will get an F at the end of the semester. This is my tentative course schedule. Even if I say tentative, but most of the time I go with this schedule. So on June 2, you are supposed to look at the chapter 1 study guide. You need to look at chapter 1 and need to work on assignment 1. And then your assignment 1 is due on Monday, June 6. So this is how it looks. Exam 1 is on chapter 1, 2, 5 and 6. And exam 2 is on chapter 7, 8, 9 and 10. And we will start working on SAP assignments after your exam 2. Okay, and there will be 6 assignments on SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal and another 6 assignment on Visual Composer. Now I hope, another thing is that for every day I've given you some work, because this is summer. We are covering 15 weeks of work in 5 weeks, and 15 weeks 3 hours per week, so regular semester gives us 45 hours, and here we are doing the whole thing in 5 weeks. So I have divided up the work. I didn't want you to be loaded during the weekend, so I've divided up the work. I want you to do some work every day. If you want to finish it, suppose the weekdays are very tough on you and you can't work on weekdays, that's fine. You can finish your work ahead of time and submit it. The whole material is available for you. Only some of the SAP assignments are not yet ready, but I'm working on them. Before you start SAP, I will make sure that those are all loaded. So you can, it's flexible. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say, that you have to meet the deadline. Whether you submit before time, that's fine. You can submit after time, but before time is fine. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So please explore the Blackboard content and see what are the different items I've loaded, and also read the syllabus very carefully. So this is it for today. I hope to have a very productive and enjoyable semester with you all, and I hope you will learn a lot from this class.